Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new trade-in that we just took in. This is a 2022 Scout 251 XSS. This is a single owner boat. Just had the boat detailed. This is a midnight blue gel coat with a really nice finish. Boat was kept in the water, so bottom painted. It will have a fresh coat of paint on it for the new owner. Has brand new recovered seats all throughout with new upholstery. So you got beam to beam seating with live wells and release wells beneath, which also makes for great storage. Pop all these seats back down, drop the backrests, and you've also got a nice casting area with non-skid. Power pole off to the starboard side, V8 Mercury 4.6 liter 300 Verado engine. Pushes this boat well over 50 miles an hour and planes very quickly. Jack plate comes standard on this model. Got raw and fresh water connections at the back. Very comfortable leaning posts with a stainless steel grab rail, rod holders, cup holders, and a Yeti cooler beneath. You have flip-up bolsters that work independently of each other, so your passenger can sit while your operator is in a leaning position if they want to. You got an angled footrest, so whether you're seated or you're standing, it's a very comfortable place to operate the boat. Steering wheel is on a tilt base. Digital throttle and shift with that Mercury 300 Verado. Got a really nice large touchscreen from Garmin. 785 hours on this boat. We've got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo on board, VHF radio, storage for soft items like life jackets or a throwable above, rocket launchers for extra rod storage or flying a flag. Rod holders, recessed cleats are throughout the gunnels. We have JL audio speakers in matching Scout white. Nice forward seat here with a nice tall backrest. You've got really good storage behind the seat to access the console. You have the boat cover currently stowed in there. That is a Laporte cover from Laporte Products in blue. There's a ton of lounge space on the 251. So, I mean, somebody who's well over 6 foot tall can very comfortably stretch out with removable backrests, but you can fit a lot of people up in this horseshoe seating area, especially if everyone's facing inward. If you want to fish this boat, all of these cushions easily remove, as do the backrests, just slide right out of place. Cushions just snap up and out, and you've got non-skid throughout the foredeck area so you can safely navigate as well. You've also got storage with rod storage beneath, lockers on port and starboard, and then there is a fish box down on the floor. Further forward we have combo rod holder, cup holder receivers, so they can hold a rod, they can hold a cup, they can hold a bow sunshade kit, so this boat would be ready to go to shade at the beach. Anchor locker is forward here. The trailer shown beneath this boat is not included with the boat, but if you need a trailer, we do have some available that would fit this model. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. I'm Carl Anderson, and thanks for watching.